What's up, everybody? Bill Black with SDL Card Hits. Recording this Select 23 UFC box. Got absolutely pumped on my last one. I'm supposed to get 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia. I only got 1 autograph, 0 memorabilia. So, a little salty from that. Let's hope this can be a little bit better experience. Whoa. Calling some flights. What am I doing? Rookie moves. Just the Prizm. Justin Gates. My Concourse Prizm. Kevin Holland, red to 175. Ruined that one. We all saw it was on the back there. Oh, maybe not. Rafael Dos Anjos, 14.99. And the Anthony Smith to 249. Nice, there we go. Rare rookie and new. And Marvin Vettori to 199. Rare rookie. Lynchfield. And a Grant Dawson to 99. We've hit our relic. Should still get 2 autos. Let's hope we do. I'll take a Prizm. Not numbered. A little worried. There's our first auto, Raquel Pennington. Less than exciting hit on that, for sure. Michael Morales, rookie to 149. Appreciate that. Well, is this an auto or we got pumped again? Oh! We did not get pumped. We did not get pumped at all. Holy shit. To 75. Lee J. Lang to 175 to back it up. But we gotta back it up. Oh shit. Just when you thought I was out, you go ahead and do something like that and completely redeem yourself. Oh shit.